Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. Today I share with you how to make authentic Ghanaian bean stew. Super easy, and trust me, you're going to love this recipe. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so next we're going to pick out all the unwanted particles that we don't need from these beans. Trust me, it's very necessary to do this. Okay, now let's pick everything out that we don't need, and once that is done, we will proceed to the next stage. Now, once that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank you, my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Moving forward, I'll also go ahead and wash the beans for about 2 to 3 times until the water runs out very clean. This beans really has a lot of unwanted particles, so washing it for about 2 to 3 times is the best, trust me. Alright, so we're going to throw this away and we're going to wash it for about 2 to 3 times, as I said, until the water runs out very clear. Now this is the final wash, and as you can see, it looks super clean. All that is left is to transfer this into our cooking pan, and we're going to cook this until it's nice and very soft. But before that, don't forget as well to go in with some chopped onions to help soften the beans very fast, and also add extra flavor to the beans as well. Add in enough water. I won't add in salt right now. I'll allow it to cook for a while before I'll go in with some salt. Now let's allow it to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes for it to cook for about 80% done, and we will be back to check on it. And this is after 40 minutes of cooking the beans. As you can see, it's almost done, and that's what I'm looking for. Now all that is left is to go in with a little bit of water, because I'll be cooking it for extra 10 to 20 minutes. And also this is the perfect time for me to go in with the salt. Stir everything together very nicely. We will cover and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. Alright, so moving forward, this is after extra 10 to 20 minutes, and this is how our beans looks like. It's very soft right now and just perfect. Now all that is left is for us to set this aside, and we will proceed to our next stage. Alright, so now moving forward, I'll heat up a different cooking pot. I'll go in with some palm oil. Palm oil is the best oil for this recipe, trust me. You can also use cooking oil if that is what you want, okay? Now I'll allow the oil to heat up very well, and once that is done, I'll go in with some cured fish or momoni to help bring out the flavors in the oil very well, okay? Alright, so once that is done, I'll go ahead and blend some garlic, pepper, onion, and some natural spices, which include some bay leaves, coriander seed, rosemary, and some star anise seed. Kindly feel free to use any pepper mix or any spice of your choice, okay? Now we're going to blend this, and once that is done, we will add it to our oil. Now let's stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, we will cover and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes, and we will be back to check on it again. And this is after 10 minutes, and this is how it looks like. The pepper mix looks a little bit runny, so it's not ready. Let's allow it to cook for extra 5 to 10 minutes, and once that is done, it should be ready. Now whilst that is going on, I want to also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've added in my tomato paste as well. Let's allow it to cook for a while until it's nice and ready. Remember to keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. Alright, so after extra 10 to 15 minutes, our tomatoes has really cooked beautifully, and that's what I'm looking for. Moving forward, I'll go in with some stew seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. Kindly adjust all the seasonings to your taste. Okay, now I'll go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce as well, and also some salmon to give the stew extra flavor. Trust me, adding in this two combo was just the best decision ever. It took this bean stew taste to another level. Trust me on this one. Now let's cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 10 minutes, and we will be back to check on it. And afterwards, this is how it looks like. Very inviting and just perfect. Now let's give it a very gentle stir, and once that is done, I'll allow it to cook for extra 5 minutes, and from there we will proceed to our next stage. Now we are back after extra 5 minutes, and this is how our stew looks like. It's looking super good and very delicious. All that is left is to go in with our cooked beans, and voila, our bean stew is ready. Trust me, this bean stew is super easy, and trust me, it is amazing. So all you have to do is to trust the process, and you are going to love it. Now after adding in the beans, let's give it a very good stir, and we will also go in with just a little bit of onions. It is optional, but trust me, adding in the onions also gives the stew extra flavor as well. Trust me, you can omit it. Okay, now let's cover it and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. At this point, remember to taste in for salt. If it's not okay, you can add in more salt or any seasonings to your taste. Okay, let's cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 2 to 3 minutes on a very low heat, and afterwards, this is how our bean stew looks like. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this special Ghanaian bean stew recipe. It turned out super good and it looks very delicious as well. Do trust the process and you're going to love it. I enjoyed my bean stew with some rice. You can enjoy this with some plantain or yam and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you and see you in my next upload. Bye.